When you created animated video with ReelCraft, you can add images as overlay on top of the video footage. One idea is to add a QR code so people can scan it and go to the website you want them to visit. This is good for affiliate products or landing pages to capture emails. To start creating this, you need to create a QR code. You can create a QR code with any software. For example, you can use Canva to do this for free. Open Canva and create a new design with square size of 100 pixels by 100 pixels. Then click on apps on the side. They have tons of free and paid apps. Choose one you like. I choose a simple QR code app, which is free. Next, add the website you want to direct people to from this code. You can click on generate and get the code. If you want to add some colors, you can click on customize and add colors to the code itself or the background. Then click on generate. You can change it as much as you need. Now give it a name. I use the website URL as the same name for the file. Go to the share button on the right side. Then click on download. Make sure it is in PNG format. If you have Canva Pro, you can click on transparent background, then click on download. You can have another way to create QR code. It is a good idea to have a tool that allows you to change the destination websites if needed in the future, because things change, especially with affiliate websites that might change their program or URL structure. When you create a video, you want the URL code to be valid forever. For this, I use Switchy, which you can find on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The link is in the description. This tool helps you manage affiliate links and other links. You can also generate and design QR code as you wish. Start by going to Switchy and adding the link. I have a link ready, so on the top you will see the link. Then I customize the ending of the link to match my domain and add it to a category to make it easy to find in the future. So specifically the software we are going to add the QR code, ReelCraft Customized Link. This software is now available on AppSumo, but the deal will end soon. So I prefer setting the date when the AppSumo deal ends and then redirecting to the ReelCraft website with a different affiliate URL. After you finish to create the link, you can go to the dashboard. Then you will see a list of links. Find the one you want to add to the video and click on the QR code icon in the line. A new window will open where you can customize the QR code as you wish. You can change the shape of the corners and the code itself. Then add colors to the background, corners, and shape. And even you can make it gradient if you like. In the next tab, you can add an image in the middle of the QR code if you want to include a logo or other image, or an icon and customize the colors. Click on download as PNG after you have scanned the code with your phone to ensure it directs to the correct website. Let's go back to ReelCraft again and add the QR code to the video. If the window is not already in the video you created, click on the dashboard and find the video you want to add this QR code to. Click on the tab with the video and then click on the button under the video that says edit video. Now you have an option on the side to add an image overlay. Click on it and then you have two options: to use an image from your library or to upload an image. Click on upload image and upload the QR code you downloaded earlier. Click on save and it will insert the QR code into the video. Next, you can resize and move the QR code to the position you want in the video. If you have captions, make sure the QR code is not over them because it will be underneath the captions. Also, don't make it too small so people can scan it. Under the video, there is a timeline. You can change the time the QR code will show in the video. If you stretch it, the QR code will stay in the same position, but if you click on the middle of the element, you can move it around to the right position. You can have a few layers of things on top of each other. So you can have a QR code and also text overlay at the same time. You can have it throughout the entire video or only at specific times. If you want to see if your QR code appears and disappears at the right time in the video, you can click on the play button to watch it. To delete an element, click on delete button on the element. Now click on save button on the left side and it will update the video for you. It takes a minute or two, but it's fast if you don't make too many changes. Now you can download the video. If you want to learn how to add text layer, then click on the next video. Subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.